This is Jacob with Partners Plumbing. Camera inspecting the dryer vent going to the outside patio. You can see a big belly of water and a large stoppage of what looks to be clay or some kind of dirt. Tried to vacuum it from the other side, but it was too hard to get with the vacuum. Thank you.